Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. 0.10 Foods to eat instead of taking a vitamin B supplement. B vitamins are essential nutrients that are naturally eliminated in the urine, so they require daily replacement through various foods. Good sources of B vitamins include 1. Beef liver. Organ meats are a rich source of all 8 B vitamins, especially vitamin B12. 2. Fatty fish and tuna. Salmon and tuna are packed with B vitamins like thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, pyridoxine, biotin, and cobalamin. 3. Nutritional yeast provides high amounts of several B vitamins, including thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pyridoxine, folate, and cobalamin. 4. Spinach, an excellent source of folate, vitamin B9. 5. Eggs, a good source of biotin, vitamin B7. 6. Fortified cereals provide a variety of B vitamins, except B12. 7. Chicken and beef, animal proteins are superb sources of multiple B vitamins. 8. Milk, rich in riboflavin, B2, and cobalamin, B12. 9. Garbanzo beans, high in folate, B9. 10. Sunflower seeds, a robust source of pantothenic acid, B5, and thiamine, B1. Talk to your healthcare provider before starting or stopping a B vitamin supplement, as some individuals may need supplementation, such as those on a strict plant-based diet or with gut conditions that impair nutrient absorption. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.